Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to cover the JDK and simple Java program. So JDK means why JDK we use in Java, what is the use of JDK, what is the different tools JDK provides, and what is the use of those tools by provided by JDK. So that thing I will cover. And simple Java programs means which things are mandatory in a Java program, which things we should use, and by that we will execute the Java program. So that thing I will cover in this video. So first time is JDK stands on Java Development Kit. So Java Development Kit provides different types of tools which we can use to perform different specific operations on our Java code. Okay, so first of that, two main things JDK provides. As I said in earlier program, Java is a platform independent language by the concept of Java compile and interpreted. So by using those two concepts we can make Java independent, platform independent. Okay, so first command is javac. It compiles to our Java file, which Java code we write down. That code will be placed inside of .java extension file, and that file we are going to compile by using this command like this. Okay, after that it will compile, it will create .class file and place bytecode into the class file, and that class file we supposed to interpret. By using Java command we can interpret that .class file. Okay, so instead of giving file name .class like this, we just giving file name over there. It will consider the class file, and that class file will be interpreted and get executed by this command. So next tool is a javadoc. It creates a documentation. For example, I have given here example, we have one show method, and I have given the description of that method over here in this form. So this is a syntax of javadoc. Like, okay, we can create javadoc like this, and when we will use this javadoc command, it will create the documentation for this method. It will provide the documentation, so that's why we are using javadoc command. Okay, so next command is the JConsole. By using JConsole we can visualize the Java applications. So let me see, we can open CMD. We should give Java console. It will open the Java console. We have to give the remote IP address, username, password over here, and we can connect to that, and we can use the different application, different queues and different things provided by Java in visual form. So that's why JConsole is used. And JShell is introduced in Java 1.9 version. So currently I'm using Java 1.8 version, that's why I can't give demo of this JShell. I will cover this topic in the next video, but I'm just giving the introduction of this. For example, we have open CMD. Okay, we will give the JShell over here. We will give enter. It will open the shell like MySQL, and we can write down the Java code without class. We can just write down like this print, and I will give here any of the string like hello, and like this, and I will give enter. Then it will print this text. It means it will directly execute this method, print method. So that's the way we can execute Java shell, which is introduced in Java 1.9 version. And next command is the debugger. So Java, we can debug our Java code. We have to provide debug points in our program, and we can debug to our Java code by using this debugger command. Applet viewer, we have some visual concept in our Java, which is applet. it provides the like one visual based UI. We can have different tools, and we can create different paintings, like operations like circle, line, different types of things. We have different methods we have in our applet, and we can create the UI using applet viewer. So to show that applet, we are using applet viewer command. So that's it from the JDK. Okay, and implementation of simple Java program. I'm going to cover one Java. I'm going to execute one Java program, and command line argument I will cover in the video. Let's start. So here I should have one public class like demo. Okay, sample class I will have. Okay, this way we have to create sample. Inside of that we should have main method from which execution will start. JVM will first execute to this method, main method, public this static void main, and here string args. So as I explained in my previous video, why we use public and static, both two keywords for the main method, because of JVM start program execution from this main method, and which is inside of the class. Okay, because of Java is pure 100% object oriented programming. So when JVM trying to execute this main method, because of JVM is also one Java program, another Java program is trying to another uh, Java class method. Okay, so that's why it should be public. Another class calling another class properties, so that property should be public. That's why we have make it public. Okay, and why is static? Because of to create objects, program execution should be start first, and that will be start from main method. So how we can create sample class, and how we can how we can call using the object of this class, this main method. So that's why it's static, because JVM can do class name dot main method. It can call by using class name. That's why it's static. And why it is a return type main, why we have just this args I will explain in accordingly. Okay, so let's start. For example, I have print method over here. I am printing hello. Okay, so class name should be same as sorry, file name should be same as class name, and dot java extension I have to give. I'm storing it on desktop. Okay, and save. I'm going to desktop. I will open CMD from here. Okay, and I will first compile the program by using javac command. Javac space I will give the that class sample name, sorry, file name sample.java. Java file we will compile. If any error it will show, otherwise it will compile successfully. It has compiled successfully. So now I will interpret, means execute the Java to that Java to that dot class file. As we can say, we have created dot class file over here. Okay, by using javac command. So we will execute that sample. Okay, so we does not need to give dot class over here. We just have to give the sample. It will accordingly consider the dot class file and will execute. It's printing hello. Okay, so now let's move to the command line argument. What is this? Why we have this parameter to this main method? So this is called as command line argument. Okay, it's just an array of string which we can accept from command, and we can print over here. But we should know what is the value we have stored. For example, I am taking one single value over here. Okay, args of 0. I am accessing 0th index of this array. Means array start indexing from 0 to onwards what its size it will be, and so that's why I am taking the only single elements. It will be by default on 0th index. So the briefly I will cover array in earlier sections. So as of now, like this, we are taking one single argument like this. Okay, and arguments you passing from CMD. Let me just print what we are taking input, like str1. This way we can print the variables value. Okay, so that's it, and we will first compile the code again, and we will execute java sample and space. We after the sample we have to give one space. After that we can give any of the value, like I am giving world. Okay, so this is the parameter. This is the sample is a dot class file name. This is a command, java command, and I'm executing to it. Okay, so as you can see, hello we have given over here, and we have given the parameter which we got in str1, and we have print over here. So we got hello world. So this is the example of command line argument and simple Java program, and JDK tools we can use like this. Java C and Java, those are two mainly used commands. Okay, so others also we are using for debugging and other things, but major thing is this Java and Java C we have to use mostly. Okay, so thank you, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. You can like my video, or you can comment if you want any other things to know. Thank you.